Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Epic Games account. So let's get started by opening a browser on your computer. Go to the official website, or you can also go ahead and enter store.epicgames.com in your search bar. This will take you to the official website where you'll see the option of sign in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now this will take you to the sign-in portal where you can go ahead and enter your email address in this search bar over here and then tap on continue and enter your password, which is associated with your Epic Games account. Or you can also go ahead and use the other ways to sign in. You can use your Google account, Steam, sign in with your Apple, Facebook, Lego account, or Autodesk. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my Google account. So tap on Google, and you'll be instantly logged into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.